Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing DIY project that I have for you. I am a DIY junkie. I always say DIY until I die, and that's the truth. I love doing things for myself and trying things out and being creative and also saving money. So I love to transform objects and just see what something can turn into. With that, so I have a house, and I had, when I first bought it 4.5 years ago, I actually painted the ceiling gold, baller, and then also my ceilings, as you can see here. So I painted the ceilings and the ceiling fans all gold, and it was great. It was really great. I enjoyed it. It was fun, and I've been on this kind of modern kick, so from that I'm like, you know, I think the gold's gotta go, as much as I hate to say it. So I have these ceiling fans, and I thought to myself, you know, I could just buy new ceiling fans, have a friend come over, exchange them out, blah, blah, blah. But honestly, my fans, they work perfectly fine. They're quiet, and honestly, I never really use them in the first place. So I was like, why would I replace them when honestly, they're perfectly fine? That's when spray paint and DIY come together for transformation. So with that, actually, with this video, I will also link all the other projects that I did in my living room, including the ceiling tiles, which you will see here. So I've totally transformed my living room from, you know, a gold baller place to a baller but chic place. So all of this stuff I did all myself, and it was so easy, and I just want to share with you because it is so easy. Again, as I always say with any project that you do, first of all, definitely research what you're doing first, marry the process, and then the most important, trust the process. Trusting the process is your number one, because if you trust it, you'll never fail, and it'll be great. And if it doesn't turn out exactly the right way, you know, it'll probably turn out better than what you anticipated. So just be positive about the whole situation and have fun. Have fun. So let's just roll it out, and I really appreciate you all stopping by and checking out how I redid my fans, and then seeing all the other videos, how we did the ceiling tiles and this wallpaper project. Oh my God, I love it. And it is, it comes off easily. So it is not stuck on the walls. How did I do that? Well, stay tuned for it, and here we go. Enjoy the tutorial. Okay everyone, here is the glamorous gold fan and gold ceiling. So there she is, last hurrah, until she transformed into that beauty. Wow, so great, I love it. So here's what you need. I actually did not use these medallions, but these are great in case you do want to just put this medallion over your current existing fan without taking it down. It's cut in half. But I do actually have that one, as you can see there. That's actually the same brand I use for the current ones. Then of course the spray paint, need that, satin and flat. Drop cloths necessary, and then also my trusty drill needed. So this is the process that's just a little bit tedious, is taking off those fan blades. Literally just takes a little bit of time. I found that from doing it, that taking one bolt off each blade first and then going back and taking off the second blade was the most effective way to take off the fan blades. But literally just took some time to just slowly take off each fan blade. Easy. Okay, here we go to the next one with the empty. Yep, there she is, so empty and bare. Ready for spray paint she is. So here are the fan blades. After taking them down, super easy, just taking off the components very easily. that metal piece right there. You're just gonna flip it around and of course use your drill again to take off those pieces. My first time, of course, filming and drilling, so wasn't as steady as I thought. But anyway, it turned out great. Honestly, just of course keeping all those pieces, and then actually since I was one-handed while doing the video, I couldn't just pop it off myself. It needed two hands, but they pop off real easy from the paint that I had put on prior. But honestly, pretty easy. So here's my very smart way of just drop cloth my living room like a responsible adult. Oh, and then in here I did add some clear tape over the light so I wouldn't spray paint the actual light piece right there. Here, of course, is that satin paint that I did use on the bulk part of the fan as well as the metal fixtures on the blades. Of course, when you spray paint anything in your house, do turn off all of your settings. And then here we go, just start painting. Literally just lightly painting. I actually took that little piece off the front down, off that first one. I realized I didn't need to. I didn't really know it was underneath there, but I didn't take it down off of that one, so that was easy. But that one, as you can see, I just dropped it down. That was just literally just an extra piece of just putting it back together after I had taken it down and sprayed. Okay, my fan blades are right here in the garage. I have them all neatly laid out for easy spraying to be the most effective with spraying. I use the flat paint on the blades. It's the only time I use the flat paint. Satin on the rest. Just give it multi-dimensional look. So it looks pretty cool. So I sprayed all those fan blades with the flat paint. Just as easy breezy as that. I think I actually used like 2 coats, but it was great. Of course, I'm using the satin again for those metal pieces right here. Just giving it that multi-dimensional so it doesn't look like one cohesive cheap piece. So there you go. And then we're gonna look at them all laid out. How pretty after drying. So there they are. They look pretty good. I actually really like using the satin and also the flat, as you can see. They look very pretty, no real problems. Those are the bolts, which I will have to paint later. I will go over that. So I put them all back together. Look how nice. Pretty. So those are the pieces that I will have to spray paint since they're silver. So that's like an easy fix. And then also like just kick up some of the sides. Once my fan blades are up, I'm just gonna correct all the paint that needs to be done. So from there they are, all completed. Wow. I mean, such a great, easy transformation. I absolutely love it. And it was so easy and fun and fast, and oh my gosh, it's so good. I love it. So thank you for all stopping by and checking it out before to wow, after. And of course, my ceiling tile project is going to be next, as well as another wallpaper project. Please stay tuned. It's so good. So thank you. And just like that, project completed. I mean, how easy was that, really? I still can't get over how easy the project was, and also that it literally only cost $6. $6, 2 cans of spray paint. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, or if you've done this project or maybe did it a different way. I would love to know about it. Drop me a message down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you've done, what you want to do, if you want to do this project, or maybe have a little bit more fun and do colors. I mean, I would love to know about it. So again, I so thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my channel, and we will see you soon. Bye!